temperature experiment where we observe radiation from the microwave into water, which will then be boiling this egg via conduction. So we'll be setting the egg on this little grid. That way it can be assumed that conduction will occur everywhere around the egg perimeter. So we'll rest it in that grid and then set this setup into this larger bowl, which we'll fill with water, which will then be over the top of the egg. And then we'll be filling up water using this water cooler, and we'll be recording the temperature initially at the start, but what's great about this is that we'll know that our initial temperature will be the same for each experiment. Here we have our initial setup. You can see that the temperature of the water is 10 degrees Celsius. And so that'll be our starting temperature of the water, and then for each experiment we'll do one setup with no egg, put it in for a certain amount of time, and then get the water temperature after, and then we'll do that exact same process but with the egg, recording the temperature before and after, and figure out the difference in temperature from the water to know how much energy was being transferred into the egg.
Now that we have warmed up our water for 1 minute, we're gonna measure it again. So it increased significantly. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but with our egg.
So fill it up. All right, gotta get to stay there. Perfect. Okay. In the community room now.
Basically, I guess
Nope.
No,
So 1 minute.
not successful. Okay. So now we're cracking 2 minutes.
Oh. I wouldn't want to eat it. Oops.
Now this is 3 minutes.
Feels pretty hard boiled.
Wow.
Only takes 3 minutes to.
It's probably like soft.
It's a little soft. Wait. Cube. 3-minute egg. And we're gonna cut it in half.
Here.
Using this stick.
Wow.
Look at that.
That's pretty good. Successful?
Yes.